Hello, hello, and welcome. I'm Lane from Master Supply Co. This is our Toronto area showroom. Come on inside. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour. Check it out. And welcome to Master Supply Co. HQ. We moved into this space at the very end of 2023, and as of right now, we have it just about in working order where we can finally do some cool shit in here. So naturally, it wouldn't be a showroom without some stuff. And behind me is the wall of fame, so to speak. We got some classics, some samples, a little bit of both. Again, some fan favorites. Right here we have the Gold Rush, quite distinctive, and obviously a little pop of red down here. We have the Cardinal. But again, as I said, we also have some stuff that's not out yet. This might make an appearance at the end of the year for fall/winter 2024. This is our Dawson. What else we got? Again, we have the Convoy 224, brand new. And the one that I'm wearing is 4 months old. So how's that for a nice before and after? It's pretty friggin' wild. Classic M18, the Ranger. What else? A little wax canvas action, not so bad. Work in progress, no less. Classic Grimshaw roughneck. Down low, we got our gunslinger vest, our Scoundrel. And lastly, this piece right here is our spring-summer 2024 Nova. It's nice, it's real nice actually. Yeah, we can't wait to finalize it and get it on the website. Now I can't not talk about this giant wooden wall facade behind me. Me and my good friend Jay Mitchell from Coup de Tete deconstructed 32 wooden pallets that we found on the side of the road to make this killer wall, and I really think that it does tie the place together quite nicely. It really kind of makes it that nice, warm, rugged, rustic, vintage cabin, and that's the play. And this is the other wall of fame. These are a bunch of photos of our friends, customers, clients, whole mixed bag. Yeah, a lot of cool people rock our shit, and we're stoked. We thought we'd make a little memory wall. I think all these photos are actually from 2023, so I'm looking forward to the stuff that we get done this year to put on the wall for next year. Hell yeah. Speaking of Coup de Tete, hanging on our wall is our signature Coup de Tete collaboration that we did a couple years ago, and yeah, this is a sick piece. And I don't know, there might be room in the future for a lot more cool shit like this. But for now, it hangs on the wall. Straight like that, not crooked. Now, my all-time favorite corner of the showroom is this corner right here with the most amazing armchair. This is made by my friend Vito from Linea Design Furniture, just down the street in Vaughan. And this thing is friggin' sweet. It's comfy, it's well built, the leather's exquisite. It's just such a nice piece to have in the showroom, and it really ties the entire space together. It matches well with the light, the wall, the fashion, my guitar. But yeah, this chair is ultra comfy, super stylish. I do a lot of laptop work out here. I do a lot of procrastinating out here. It's sick. I highly recommend it. Once again, thank you Vito from Linea Design Furniture for donating this chair. I can't say enough good things about it. It's so friggin' nice. Coffee table setting wouldn't be complete without some nice antlers, and believe it or not, it only cost me a couple bucks. That's the worst fuck-ups. Next to it, we have our leather conditioner and a couple hats just chilling around. Measuring tape, because that goes down here where, you know, customers will pull up, get their measurements done, might do some customs, or just for people who want to know their size, all that stuff. So this is my favorite thing to do with the measuring tape. Check it out. If it was a 3D movie, that'd be insane. You'd lose your mind, but now I have to roll this back up, so whatever.
And another use for the spot, something that we've been doing recently, is having some live music performed in the showroom. Naturally, we have a lot of super talented friends and family of the brand, and it is a great honor to bring them by, get a couple microphones, and just let them go. Jump on the YouTube, check out the performances and all that fun stuff, and we definitely have more music coming down the line.
Thank you for hanging out and checking out the first glance reveal at our Toronto area showroom. If you want to swing by, you totally can. You can book something through our website, through our contact page, and yeah, we'll see you soon.